มาลายินของสิทธิ์นี้ Vision 20 verses 1 through 8. The Son gave a commandment, and in his commandment he said, all Patihao, for all the things of my creation on this earth to be governed and managed, I have brought mankind into existence. I have cared for and kept all that I have created. I have given each and everyone a life that is suited for them in accordance with their place and land. With the intent of the people on earth to remain mindful of me, the Almighty Person who gave you life, I have placed messengers, prophets across heaven and earth. Through these messengers and prophets, I give the sacred teachings to be obeyed. Therefore, all of you must obey the sacred teachings as I, the one who gave you life, have commanded. Those who obey the sacred teachings I have given bring me joy. Hence, they shall inherit an everlasting, joyful, comfortable, and pleasant life in my peaceful realm. Let's take a moment to let the weight of those words settle upon your heart. For those who still wonder what this could possibly mean and what purpose it serves to us, to start off, I want to say that we live in a world that often tells us we are soulless beings with no real purpose in life, that our lives are random, and that we are left to wander this earth without any direction or destination given. However, when we dive into the sacred pages of Vision 20, the Almighty Person completely shatters that lie. He opens door into spiritual realm, allowing humans to see the hidden divine secrets and truth that we could have never discovered on our own. This truth reveals that He alone is the Almighty Person, transcendent to none, and the Almighty source of all blessings. He does not create fear nor demand any blood sacrifices in order for us to heed His words. Rather, He was direct in His intentions by guiding us and protecting us with His holiness. Oftentimes, we might feel that Person is silent or distant from us, and we might even feel frustrated when it seems that He is not answering to our prayers. Nevertheless, as He stated in verse 6, through these messengers, prophets, I give the sacred teachings to be obeyed. Despite our frustrations and any perceived lack of fulfillment from Him, He reveals that He has constantly been overseeing our lives, meaning that He had never left our side. As our Creator, Person is fully knowledgeable of all the hardships and joyful moments that we've experienced. He guides us to a better life by passing down His words and sacred teachings through the messengers that He has placed by our sides throughout history, such as our Prophet Patihao, the creator of our Zohar scripture. Although Person explicitly told us to obey His words, He also knows how easily human hearts wander. He is aware of how quickly we became blind to His presence amid various distractions of our daily lives. That is why His commandment for verse 5 was established, which says, with the intent of the people on earth to remain mindful of me, the Almighty Person who gave you life, I have placed messengers, prophets across heaven and earth. Person sends sacred teachings to guide us onto the right pathway, ensuring that we avoid going astray in darkness or wandering blindly in spiritual confusion. So within reasons and purpose that we be kept mindful of Him, Person chose Patihao to spread His words in order to teach us His will, providing a clear step-by-step instruction to obey Him and walk safely towards His heavenly realm. Therefore, when Person says, I have given each and everyone a life that is suited for them in accordance with their place and land, in verse 4, He is reaffirming that our lives are neither random or pointless. Rather, Person brought mankind into existence with a glorious purpose to follow, which is to govern, to manage, and to care for His creation as He does. Along with that, Person depicts how He carefully crafted each of our unique destinies, placing each of us exactly where we are meant to flourish. This implies that the exact environment and circumstances He has put us in are not a punishment, but is for a soil of redemption that will help nourish our faith, strength, and character to its full potential, along with finding harmony within ourselves. With this in mind, those who obey the sacred teachings given bring ultimate joy to Person. Hence, by virtue of their faith, they shall be rewarded with inheriting an everlasting, joyful, and pleasant life in His peaceful realm. That is why, my beloved brothers and sisters, we should do our absolute best to truly understand the purpose Person has for our faith. He gave us His divine words and teachings to help us walk safely towards His heavenly realm long before we ever saw the comfort of otherworldly or divine powers. Let us therefore stand firm in His embrace, holding fast to this truth that time cannot erase. Và tiếng to kia vốn của kho vốn phần hình Person với thằng ta hẹn.